Bet. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna just break it down real quick. So we ended up widening the list a little bit, I think by like a foot or two. And just trying to open the doors, you have a lot more room to open the doors to get through and stuff like that. So that's helping. So they had to remove the bolts on the floor, of course. They're doing the actual line for the legs, I guess that's what it's called.
Never mind. Never mind, wrong cheek got one.
What's progress like today, Ashish?
Stressful. That's what it's like.
Stressful?
So stressful, I'm hot. You missed it. Fucking
So take off
you
all
missed
your
it.
clothes.
Fuck you.
You crashed into the wall?
Yeah, it was in reverse. It went straight and busted the whole wall. That Nasser my cousin just, remember there was a doorway right there?
Yeah, yesterday.
He sealed it today and he put the like filler on it. And then not even 5 minutes before he sat down for lunch, I ruined the wall. So when it started,
yeah.
it was right here, it just turned on, we were jump starting it, and it just was in gear, and it went and it hit this wall, damaged all this shit was bad. He straightened it up now, and this door was stuck open like that.
Yeah.
It damaged
I was like,
the brand new.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Damn, brand new floor.
I mean, luckily he left us like 2 extra pieces of tile so we could fix it, but
yeah.
This was done. So he just cut it all back open.
Yeah.
So he's got to fix it.
Sheesh.
Ain't that bad, bitch.
Oh man, brand new already going, already, you know. So like I said, it's G, the welder slash fabricator slash second tech on board. Pretty cool build. He has the M3 swapped with the turbo Mustang 5.0. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm hoping one day he can bring it to the shop.
We're just trying to get it all done, so when Nick comes in, we just kind of
Drill the holes in.
like, yeah, well these beams, one beam of each one is already drilled. 30-minute install, because we figured out everything. Like that one we've been doing quick.
Yeah.
We figure everything out on this one, and then we go over there, and then it's like, boop, boop, boop. It's like a learning curve, because we've never had bend pad lift. Always had like a Challenger or a rotary. I can install one of those. But this, everything's different. This is a nicer lift.
They're taking a while. So I'm gonna come over here and see what Detailed Hands is doing. Always looking sweet. So watch this real quick. 3 gents, Corvettes in here. I'm gonna need y'all to drop a comment, say which one y'all like better. C5. Alright, what's up? Dyno Jet is getting built, installed, assembled, there we go. Dyno's getting assembled. We got Chi, Waleed, and Ashish doing some work. Yeah man, I'm excited. I'm like super excited. We're gonna have some bad cars this summer, there we go. Carrera Performance, one-stop shop. Coming in for some work. Dyno, tuned, detailed, to get you on your way. When you're happy and satisfied, you come back for more mods. But yeah, I mean, if you're liking the content right now, subscribe, like, share, comment, you know. I need you guys to comment what you guys want to see. It's gonna be all LS, Ford, and Mopar cars with Dyno, for the most part. But yeah, if you have any ideas, let us know. We could definitely do something.
It might go like that, Chi. Then it would allow it to go up and down without taking it off.
You go to straps, and some nice ass straps. Stop the car blocks, I guess, if you want to call them. Hydraulic reservoir, pulleys, bolts, 4 parts, and more stuff.
Which I'm guessing there's a piece that connects, because wherever that ramp stops, there's got to be a crossover.
As long as the distance between here and here is the same all the way across,
Yeah.
then it's centered to the dyno. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
And as long as this is straight, then the posts have to be straight because the posts are in the feet.
I jumped it right away.
That's it.
Same, it's just gonna lay flat on the ground the way it is.
Oh, so it doesn't go on top of it? That lays flat on the ground?
A little bit of help with the sport pose. If you could lead me in the right direction.
Yeah, definitely. Like I said, at least I can come by.
I'm tired, pressed out. I just want to get back to working on cars.
Come to me. So
Yes,
we
sir.
at Texas 2K. During the daytime, you just find stuff to do. So I've been scoping this spot. I've been scoping this spot for a brick. Finally got here. I'm a good man.
I realized I might move to Houston. Dead ass serious.
So I said, yesterday I was like, I'm gonna buy a ticket. Came out here, got a rental.
Wait till you see the house.
For real? Sheesh. Woo. Next stop, some food. I don't know where we're going, but I told him I want something authentic. This AC is pumping in here, so see you guys there. Yeah, this stuff look good, man. It's a little barbecue place. Name is outside, but I'm gonna get it when we leave. Give it a little rating. Thank you, man. Thank you. What you think about the food? It was alright?
I give it a strong
Yeah.
5.5 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'd rather go to Whataburger.
You mean McDonald's?
Nah, Whataburger. Hey, don't disrespect Whataburger.
Oh man. Ugh. This AC pumping here. Trying to get the seat right. A little too short for this channel. Alright, next stop, Pro Speed. See you guys there. Just got to Pro Speed. I've never been here, but Ron probably has. He's a cool guy. Don't worry, I zip tied it. That's nice. Man, a whole bunch of cars. Look at that. C6. Oh, C6. C6. 240. C7. Look at the tire on that Supra. Yeah, it looked nice in here. Pro Speed Auto in I don't know if this counts as downtown, but Houston. Damn, look at it. Look at that tire. Oh my god.
Alright. This the house, bro.
Damn, okay. Hold on real quick. Now you got a little spare jump. Sheesh. Alright, well I'm just putting my stuff in the car so that it's all ready. Yeah, that's good. This is my first time being out here in Texas 2K, and I thought we weren't doing anything until now. Rome's V out here. I think he's gonna get a couple runs in. And we also have C7 out here. Pro charged and on nitrous. So, yeah, you can't really see him, but right there. I'll be basically camera car for the 2SS rental. See you guys in Mexico. Quick little pit stop. Ah! Man, Texas, you have these bugs that are everywhere, and that shit is freaking me out. Anyways, quick little pit stop. Of course, we got Rome back there. We got Matt, Pro Charged Nitrous C7, and we got my rental. But I actually like it a lot. It's not bad at all. Got myself a little coffee right there, and we got the man, the legend, the goat right there. Then we got 2 oinks.
It might work.
What are you trying to do?
I think I got overspray on the windshield. Like here. I don't know if it's working or not. Well, I don't know.
Finally made it after like an hour drive. Yo, the drive was super long though, but definitely worth it. We're in the middle of nowhere. Nah, we in the middle of nowhere, man. Like we drove enough for me not to know how to get back. Yeah, look at this here.
Hold on, let me call this first time.
Hell yeah, man.
That take off.
Yeah, dude, son.
You playing catch up.